Now, in honor of National Dog Day, we decided to get Abby a treat. And also, we missed her birthday, so this is a double reason to give her Frosty Paws.
Frosty Paws.
Abby, look.
With a milk bone in it. How hysterical.
She doesn't even see what I have. Look.
She loves Frosty Paws.
We got a nice dog biscuit right in there.
It's Frosty
Should we sing
Paws.
Happy National Dog Day?
Happy birthday to you.
And National Dog Day.
Happy birthday to you.
And National Dog
Get
Day.
it all in there. Happy birthday, dear Abby.
And National Dog Day.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, look. Oh, I think she's got it wedged way up in her mouth.
Yeah.
Can you get it so you can eat your paws?
Abby, let's see.
Honey, you can't eat it that way.
Knock it out.
How we eat paws.
Oh, Abby, that looks really
Did
good.
it go down the gullet?
It's gone, yeah.
I don't think she ever even chewed it.
Did you chew your biscuit? Huh?
It's not here with the baby, is it?
Nope, it went straight down.
You did not chew that whole, did you? Uh-oh.
Here, sit right here. Right there. Don't get your
Well, Abby, that's nice. Happy National Dog Day.